Once upon a time, on the vibrant island of Jamaica, there lived a man named Mr. Rose. By day, he was a humble botanist, passionate about studying the lush tropical plants that grew all around him. But by night, he transformed into Jamaica's greatest hero, Mr. Rose, the protector of his island and its people. One evening, as the sun dipped below the blue mountains, strange lights flickered over the coast. Rumors spread of a mysterious alien craft crash-landing near the Caribbean Sea. When Mr. Rose heard about it, he knew he had to investigate. Using his knowledge of plants and nature, he developed a special suit woven with fibers from the rare Jamaican rosewood tree, strong, lightweight, and infused with natural energy. As he approached the crash site, he discovered an alien being trapped in a glowing, crystalline pod. The creature was injured but peaceful, communicating through a series of shimmering lights. Suddenly, a sinister corporation appeared, intending to capture the alien for profit. Mr. Rose knew he had to act fast. With his plant-based powers, he summoned vines that grew rapidly, wrapping around the corporate agents and blocking their machinery. His suit absorbed the alien's energy, giving him super strength and the ability to manipulate nature. He used his powers to free the alien and shield it from harm. In a flash, the alien's energy merged with Mr. Rose's suit, creating a radiant shield of green light. Together, they thwarted the corporate villains and ensured the alien's safe return to its home planet. As dawn broke, Mr. Rose watched the stars shimmer over Jamaica, knowing he was the island's silent guardian, its hero, rooted in the strength of nature, and forever ready to protect his homeland from any cosmic threat. And so, the legend of Mr. Rose grew, a hero born from the heart of Jamaica, blending science, nature, and courage to keep his island safe in the face of the universe's mysteries.